Here it is, you guys. Alright guys, today's January 29th. Finally ready to bring back some content on the Integra. Integra has been pretty much parked since October. It's got, I'm having a heck of a time bleeding the radiator. Right now it always has a dead battery. Could be the alternator, could be the battery, but my bigger issue, in my opinion, is swapping out the transmission. As you guys saw, there's plenty of content on this in the past few months, and I really haven't been wanting to work on it. It was posted for sale for a little while ago. For a while, I should say. The all-wheel drive stuff is sold, the turbo kit sold, but I still have the car, and I still want to get it running and driving. I do like this car. So today we'll start with how to remove the axles. So that's what we're gonna do on this video. I think I've done it before on replacing an axle, but we'll just do this strictly on how to remove it. Next video may be taking all this off to get the transmission out. But 6-speed swap, get rid of this 5-speed. This 5-speed does grind. So I will start with removing the wheels and draining the fluid, and we can go from there. And then hopefully, I'm hoping the alternator is not what's bad, because then I have to remove the radiator, because I added the second fan in previous videos, but I'm pretty sure this guy is leaking. I thought this was the K-tune billet housing, and it's not. It's a knockoff, and it leaks, and I think that's why I keep getting air into the system, because of this cheap guy. So let's go ahead and get to work. Drain the transmission, pull the axles, and bring the Integra back to the channel. So let's get started, guys. To remove the driver's side axle, all you have to do is remove the axle nut, 32mm, and remove this bolt. I'm just going to use the impact, 17. It should be 17, yep, 17 on both ends. And this will allow you to swing out the hub assembly and get the axle out. Super easy on this side. In general, I think this car is much easier than my Galant. And this top guy. I forgot about this guy. Cotter pin, move that, probably 17. Can't get in here with that. Alright, I removed the brake line bolts, and this is the ABS one, and the brake line's on the other side. This guy, I hate messing with these. I hate these. These guys always get ruined. But I'm going to use this guy to pop it out. Alright, there that is. Not too bad, remember? 10 millimeter, and then 2 bolts for this, 10 millimeters. That should be enough to be out of your way. Push the axle back. Alright, let's do the same on the passenger side. Passenger side has a little bit more work than the driver's side. There's the carrier bracket, so be mindful of that. We'll get to it if you guys don't know what I'm talking about. Alright, let's follow the same process. Okay guys, hopefully you guys can see right here there are 2 14 millimeter bolts and there's another one right up top. You have to remove these 3 bolts to get the carrier bracket. This is the axle carrier bracket for the passenger side right here. This is a well wanted part in the K-Series communities for the swaps. Now watch me get the axle out. Voila, that's it. Now let's put the camera back on the other side and snake it out. In all its glory. Well, both axles are out now. Let me see what I want to do next. Well guys, that is how easy it is to remove your axles from your K-Series. I mean, it's going to be the same on pretty much every K-Series chassis as far as I understand, and especially on the DC2 and EG chassis, it's going to be the same. But yeah, that'll do it for that, guys. So you guys remove the axles. Super easy, super cake. This is insanely easy jobs. I'm sure shops charge a lot. I won't cover that in this video, but I mean, you guys can see what shops charge with my other videos. But if you don't have the confidence, hopefully this does help you guys. Next, I want to start clearing off this area. Next video will be most likely removing your transmission. So hope you guys like this video. Subscribe. More content to come on this car. I know you guys won't be seeing this for a while, but it's coming along, guys. It's coming along. It'll be back on the road very soon. And hopefully I catch up to all the videos I have made over the past few months, so I could give you guys some up-to-date videos. But like, subscribe, share. Next video will be removing the transmission. Thanks, guys.